Alright y'all, so I decided to go ahead and take the carb out myself and clean it and all that good stuff. So what I did is I took the tank off, which is here. I took the seat off. And these are the two 10 millimeters to take the tank off, and I took this bracket off so I could get the filter cover off, and I just put the bolts back so I don't lose them. So even over here when I take the cover off, I put the bolts back right here so I don't lose them. And I kind of suggest you do the same so you don't lose them. And disconnect the fuel line from this side and the other side. What else? Here's our connector that I was talking about, and these are the two lines that are connected to the back of the tank. One has a clamp and one doesn't. So if you come over here, oh yeah, wait 1 second. The throttle cables need to come off. They're kind of a pain. The middle one's kind of a pain to get out because it's like in between the carbs, but once you get it out, the carb comes right out. You just got to make sure you disconnect all the lines first. That way it doesn't give you a hard time getting out, getting it out. So here's the carb. Got it in this box so I don't make a mess. But when you're messing with it, be careful because there's springs everywhere. And I lost one earlier. I lost this one earlier, but I found it because it just kind of came off. So just be careful. I haven't been able to get the screws out to check the needles because they're in there pretty tight, and I'm letting it soak in WD-40 right now. So whenever it's done soaking and I get the cover off, I'll upload a video showing y'all how I clean the needles, and then I'll put it all back together, and I'm hoping it works. I'm actually pretty confident that I'll get it fixed. So stay tuned. While you have the carb off, you might as well go ahead and clean all the dirt out, because you can't really see it, but there's a lot of dirt in there and it's real dirty. So you might as well go ahead and clean it real good. That way, when you put it back on, it's nice and clean and stuff. If y'all like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and I'll upload another video whenever I get the cover off, and show you how to do that. Alright, till next time, man. Bye.